Hello everyone. On 13th of August, Maharashtra government has come out with a different rule. It's by Bombay High Court. So according to Bombay High Court, so now resident of Maharashtra will have, those who have one flat, they are allowed to have only one car. The reason, like why Maharashtra government and the High Court has come up with this rule and regulations, the reason is that there's too many cars over there in Maharashtra. And if you see on the roads, both the lanes, both the sides of the roads are almost 30% are covered by the car parking. So there is no space for the cars to commute. And moreover, the government has said that the Maharashtra government should not allow that people, those who actually can afford as many as number of cars, they should not go ahead with buying as many as cars they can, because it actually creates lots of chaos in the society, in the parking place and also on the road. So that is why Maharashtra government has come out that you are not allowed to, and there should be a proper verification before selling a car. So when you go to buy a car, you have to show that you have a flat, only one flat, then only you can buy only one car. If you are having already one car and you have only one flat, so you cannot buy more than one car. It's not about how much you afford. It's also about the comfort and also about the keeping in mind about the society, like how chaotic it has become. If you go out, step out of the house in Thane, if you will see n number of cars, and families having 3 to 4 members in the house, each of them have individual cars. So that actually creates lots of problem. In residential area also, you are not allowed to get that builders are not giving you multiple parking lots. You will be given only one or max to max 2. But since you have many cars, you have 2 or 3 cars with a very small nuclear family, what do? You just park your car outside the premise. That also creates a chaos. So that is the reason the government has said and the High Court has said that you have to limit yourself. If you have only one flat, so it should be one flat against of one flat, there should be only one car. And in Bangalore, I have seen something different, like regarding parking. They have a different odd and even. So like on the days when it's odd number, you can park on the left hand side, and on the days of on even number, you can park on the right hand side. Well, in Maharashtra it is not seen. Like you park wherever you want, and when the towing cars will come, and you run behind the towing cars. So finally, I think this will actually help to reduce at least 5% of the chaotic situation on the road, like how we face problem to reach a distance of 10 minutes. It takes almost 30 to 40 minutes for us to reach because of the heavy traffic. So I think now it will be reduced. But again, another challenge is the number of flats are also huge here. So people are not only having one flat. Some people are there having multiple flats, like 3 to 4 people. They are having 3 to 4 members in a family. They're having one flat in Kandivali, one in Thane, one they are staying, one they are renting. So if you go with such documentation, obviously they are capable of buying, and they will be buying almost 3 to 4 cars. So I don't think that it will help much, but yeah, see, let's see how it works. It should not happen that that later on that there will be less cars and more flats, because to buy more cars in the process, people will start buying flats, and then there will be no space around. But this will actually affect this buying of cars according to the flats. It will affect the car sellers now, because the demand will be less. And maybe the price of the cars will also be reduced because of this. So let's see how it works, and maybe in 2 weeks the rules and regulations will be out very soon, and let's see how it will be implemented in the society. And if it goes well, then I'm sure the other states should also follow it. That will help in reducing the traffic problem of our society. That's all for today, and thanks for watching. Be safe and keep learning. Thank you.